Just spent about an hour and a half trying to fix this mower. If you guys can remember from the last time I was kind of showing this, it wouldn't roll backwards, and it turns out that the shaft on the tranny was needed to be sanded, and it's got some other issues going on with it. The wheel dust cover on the back side of the back wheel, it's all bent out of shape, so I've got one of those or a couple of those on order. Even though it is not working correctly, I still want to try it out, and I need to mow the side and the back over there. So I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens here. I need to also vacuum this up. We had a pretty good size windstorm come through here like a week ago or so, and I've got all this crap everywhere. See the plugs there? I used the Pro Plugger there to transplant some plugs. You can see the plugs are the areas of the source is right here. So I'm just gonna run the mower over a couple times to see, one, if it even cuts off anything, and two, if I can clean up all this crap. The grass is still kind of coming out of dormancy. It's not fully kind of growing yet, but looks like it could use a mow, especially if I had my real mower, but I do not have that thing ready to go yet. Time to eat, folks. Yeah, not a lot, but more so in the summer.
Your lawn is amazing.
Cool. Look, looky-loos over there, guys. They're geocaching. They're like, hey, your lawn's amazing, all that stuff. And those are the looky-loos I was telling you about. Yeah, that's just, I like mowing it. It's not cutting off a lot, it's just really kind of doing a vacuuming job. The amount of clippings that it's actually cutting is minimal. It's kind of getting the long POA that's kind of sticking up here and there. You kind of see some of this stuff over here. That could be ryegrass. It's probably likely ryegrass. But the vacuum job seems to be going decent. So really kind of, this is just more so to do more so of a vacuuming job than a mow job. So that's really just like a cleanup mow. I only did maybe 3/4 of this section, this 8,000 square feet. You can see here the amount of clippings is probably about 1/4 of the bag or less. So it's not a lot to cut off, but it does look clean like that, so that's really nice. So now I want to head to the side yard over here in the back. That flag, you can see the stripes got tattered and torn. Doesn't look good, so we're gonna need to replace that. I'm gonna focus on the side yard here first. Make a few perimeter passes. It's gonna clean up a bunch of this sticks and stuff. This is like a catch-all system. The wind just blows crap into this section. Doesn't have anywhere to go, so it just kind of collects there. Okay, so I've got the mower all the way down, and this is kind of long. With the mower all the way down, it's about an inch, maybe a little over an inch or so. And this grass looks like it's about 2 inches, so cutting off a little more than I should, but I'm just gonna go for it and hope for the best.
Where's my shot? Hit the skull living. I don't know, I don't know. I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left behind me. I don't wanna grow, just live myself.
So I lowered it down all the way. Then I brought it up a notch, did 2 passes, and I don't know. So it's not a satisfactory length. It's definitely greener but I want it lower. But it's just kind of really looks like it's scalping it, but it's cleaning up the lawn. Feels good to be mowing again. It is very short. You see some snow still there. It snowed a few days ago, a few inches, 6 inches. And that's on the north side, so feels good to be mowing again. I have got a lot of clippings that this is collecting. So I need to get my clipping collection system going on. I'm gonna use the gorilla cart and trash cans to get that done.
Where's the life I? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life
Ooh, that's sweet. I love that.
Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know.
So check this out. This was over there on the back side of the shed. And check it out, see that ice? Still quite cold here, folks. Still lots of ice and snow. And I think that today's high is probably 50-ish. So it's not exactly springtime yet, but we are getting there. So you can see quite the difference here from where I've shaved it down and I'm catching the clippings of the lowest section to how much I've mowed off. This is the green side, that side's the cut side. Much taller, much greener, but it's a small sacrifice to make to take it down low so I can come out here with my reel. You've got to shave it down at some point in time, so I figured I'm just going to do that at the beginning of the year. Inside me, it's almost more than I can take. You touch me, I can feel how much you love me. This close to anyone, for anything. So that's it, I'm done, guys. I only mowed this portion. So I'm not wanting to mow anymore because I can feel the gears grinding on the mower. I have a bad part on each of the back wheels. I'm pretty sure it's the dust cover, and it's making the wheels pretty much spin or rotate out of alignment. So with that being said, I don't want to mow anymore until I can get new dust covers for those wheels on the mower. It's pretty crazy, the difference. The lawn from this angle looking into the sun, it's pretty bad. Looking this direction, like you can see here, it doesn't look too bad. Turn around like this, the lawn really looks quite bad. You're looking into the sun and it is scalped. Here is where all the snow mold was, or sorry, the vole damage. It was torn up really badly through here from the voles. But given a couple weeks, maybe it's probably been 3 weeks since 3 or 4 weeks since I kind of showed you that vole damage. I think we got some looky-loos over there. Not sure exactly who they are or what they want. They look like looky-loos to me. Let's see, I guess we'll go over there and see what she wants or whatever. The looky-loos.
No, I just wanted to come say hi.
Yep, looky-loos.
Are you doing a video? Oh, we don't want to bug you then.
Oh, come here. So they're gonna come over and swing by looky-loos. I told you it was looky-loos. They said, no, that's not me. We just wanted to come say hi. So here they come. I don't know who it is. Hey,
Hey,
how are
We don't know
you?
each other, but we know some people that you know that we know.
Who?
he raves about you. He's our son-in-law. And his name is. Yeah.
This water comes right out of the ground from that well right there. It's not filtered or anything from right here. Straight, clean aquifer water. I'm telling you, that is some good water. I think that's gonna do her.
Stop
Babe,
it.
don't. Baby, don't.
Stop it.
Get in the picture with me. She won't get in. So remember how bad this looked a week ago? It was a week ago that I cleaned this all up. It's starting to look a little better. I wouldn't say it's great or anything like that, but it's going to come back, and it will be fine. I think I did say at one point in time, I need to be mowing. It makes me happy, and somebody sent that to me and reminded me of that in a letter they sent me with a sticker, and I really appreciate that. It was awesome. So, anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Here's to an awesome 2020 season. I hope to get my real mower out really soon, or my cylinder mower, and make it awesome looking. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.